Hey, digital shaman. Welcome back to the channel where we discuss the intersection of spirituality, technology, life moving from 3D to 5D, age of Aquarius, and the metaverse. So Scorpio, suns, moons, Mercury, Venuses, Mars. If you have an 8th house stellium, this is your Venus and Taurus transit reading, and you are going to be having an opposition. Venus is going to be opposing your Scorpio planets. And, this is going to be a little bit of a push-pull, because Taurus is more like the self-made millionaire, and Scorpio is more like other people made me millionaires. It's the house of how you make your money versus money coming in from others. So let's take a look at the cards to try to see what is going on, what is going to be the wealth story of Scorpio during this transit. So Venus and Taurus transit. Reading for Scorpio. Scorpio, and the topic is money, wealth, investments, business, all things that come under that big umbrella. So today we are going back with the traditional Rider-Waite deck. So let's pull some cards to support you all during this transit. But let's first start off with, what is the Scorpio wealth story? What's happening? What do we have? The moon. 6 of Cups, 8 of Pentacles, and King of Swords. Okay, so, me and the Moon card, we have fake beef because it's been throwing such a curveball in my readings, but this is the heartbeat. Because a Scorpio moves, yes, with its pinchers. Oh, and we have a little crustacean. We have a little crustacean at the bottom that's trying to figure out. Scorpio moves with its pinchers. That's what people think. But y'all move with y'all intuition. Scorpio is the deep diver of the zodiac. Scorpio works hard. 8 of Pentacles, no surprise there. King of Swords. Scorpio can fix signs. We're in this realm of fixed signs. So this could be a little I'm always right. And then it's weird. We kind of have, I'm always right logically. And then I'm also driven by my intuition. 6 of Cups, I'm just like, where do you fit in? Are y'all also naivety? Being naive? I'm not gonna lie, the 6 of Cups is like, what? Stubborn. Yeah, so your lack of, let me start out over. So when I see the six of Cups, that just kind of makes me think of retreating into childlike, the things that make us feel safe. Yeah, okay. Safety. And it's so funny because that's the Taurus realm. That's the second house realm. Is Taurus accumulates all its stuff to feel safe. And anytime I see the 4 of Pentacles, I have many readings, but this is blocked chakras and the coins on his feet, the coins over the heart. So I think that you guys are lacking some security and some safety in the world of wealth. I'm just gonna say wealth making. Logic is there, intuition is there, the job or the investments, the earning capability is there. But these are the cards about that's leading me to the blockage. So where do we start here? Let's start with let's go around this 4 of Pentacles. Moving away. And do y'all need to switch jobs? Is that where we're going? Y'all need to switch jobs? Y'all are oh my man, wait a minute. Scorpio would be, yeah, okay. Something, yeah, okay. Scorpio would be kind of like giving me complexity here. Because 3 of Pentacles is, so a skill, a trade. Okay, Spirit, come on, help me out here. Where are we trying to go? Because, I don't know, I'm hearing switching jobs, but it's hard. And this is, have y'all worked here a long time? Or, because, this 8 of Pentacles is, maybe your industry is solid and secure. Like I work in tech. Like maybe you work in tech, and it's like, okay, most people that work in tech can get a job anywhere, but you've grown stale. You've either grown stale at where you're working or what you're doing, and it is going to be hard to move away. Knight of Cups is gentle movement, and it's almost like you're seduced. Yeah, you're seduced by your position, and I think what's coming to me, Scorpio does like its power. King of Swords, Scorpio does like its power, but at ultimately, this is a note in this four of Pentacles, the block, the stagnation of, like, y'all think your money is good here, but your earning capability is blocked on the emotional level, which is why we got the Six of Cups, which is why we're getting the Six of Swords and the double sixes. So what makes me think is the people where you work, and y'all can maybe, like, I'm not picking on tech, y'all might be big law, working at Fang, or even maybe have, like, I'm bringing here the DC level, like you're at the top of the government chain. So all that is comfortable, but you're not happy. Inside, you're not happy. And something about where you work seduces you into staying. Like I said, to me, I think it could be people. Because Three of Pentacles is cooperation in that realm of making money, like enterprising. And also, we're going to keep going with this reading because I'm wondering if y'all need to. I know it's like the end thing, the it thing, like, oh, everyone quit their 9-to-5s and make a creative job. And that's not for everyone. Being a creative and having your own business, that's not for everyone. Although Scorpio can do it because of y'all, those Scorpio pinchers. I mean, Scorpio rules business. What is other people's money? Business, investments. that's other people's money. That is 8th house talk. But y'all feel stuck. And you know what? So we're going to not pause, but let's put, hold on, sorry, this is jumping around. Let's put this here. We're going to put our stuck cards together. And we're going to clarify how y'all can get unstuck. Because I think going back here to, let me make some space. Y'all know I'm so pressed to have this lined up right. Going back to this money, your earning capabilities here with the Knight of Swords and the Moon, I think the answer lies intuitively. So once we figure out, let me put these over here. Once we figure out how to get you all unstuck, we're going to go back to that Moon card. Because, we're going to work with the Moon card. The Moon card can mean not seeing clearly. But I think, yeah, like pun not intended, this reading is going to help y'all see clearly on how to pivot with work matters. And that's the thing. Eight of Pentacles to me traditionally is really work matter, employment, like this thing says, employment. Because y'all in a good situation, but it's draining on y'all soul. And it's going to make you're going to wake up one day and be this Four of Pentacles guy. So let's clarify here, getting Scorpio unstuck. Because, again, like I said, to me, we're picking up on tones of safety, security, and y'all have that on the surface, but it's no longer providing that soul satisfaction. Like, a job's a job. Page of Swords. Oh, maybe y'all have some options on the table? Oh, yeah, dreaming. Okay, let's keep going. Y'all, that is, yeah, drinks. Okay. Y'all think it's going to be hard to switch? Oh, okay. Maybe I am picking up on moving to new industries. Because this is Seven of Cups is dreamers. All these different options. And that's the thing. You all have the skills where, I mean, I don't know. It might be hard to go from, I don't know. I'm going to say something crazy like to go from a medical doctor to being a techie to being an auditor. I mean, you may not can make big shifts like that, but whatever type of either analysis skills or, let me not forget our people who literally work with their hands, craftsmanship. Back to that Three of Pentacles, fashion, even if you're construction, there's you all have skills, and that's validated by the Three of Pentacles and the Eight of Pentacles. The skills are there. The Page of Swords. I know I didn't talk much about that. It's funny, young person in government service, law enforcement. Let's see here. So I don't have reversals turned on. Some use. So, okay. What I'm hearing is, and again, this is a reading for the collective, but, and I don't know what reading for the collective at any age y'all may be, but you need to act like a young person. and go back to, and that's six of cups. That's also kind of nostalgia, thinking about like these people are dwarf like young, like even if you're in the 20s, but we're gonna go age group by age group. Even if you're in your 20s and you're like, this work thing, again, we hear it now. A lot of people graduate and bam, they have like 6-figure jobs, but it's not finding you satisfaction. If you're a little bit mid-career, you need to go back to that joy, that's the feelings you felt when you first graduated, or when you first got on your own, or maybe when you first created your venture. I mean, the world is changing. You know, people getting rich off NFTs and everyday social. You know, social media was not a job 15 years ago. I don't think 20 years ago. So that's what this Seven of Cups is saying. Y'all got to get back out there and dream like you dreamed when you were young. But y'all burdened. Like, so the concern is, what was the other card? I don't know. The concern is, the Hangman, and then this 10 of Wands. It's hard. It's gonna be hard to pick up and go. That is something is really tying y'all to this situation. And again, you're juggling money matters. I don't even know where to go now. I guess I like Scorpio's intuition. Let's have the moon tell us, how can they release themselves and follow this path? Because the moon card is about, in the moon card, we don't know what's going on. Is it daytime? Is it nighttime? But this crustacean in the water needs to get to that little mountain peak in the back. Look at the card. See, there's a little path around these howling dogs, around this stuff falling from the moon sun, through the towers. It's just like, what are we doing here? Where do we need to go? But where does Scorpio need to go? Because they're stuck. Taking action quickly, passionate, follow your passions. 8 of Wands, that's quick moving energy. And 2 of Cups. Yeah, 2 of Cups is, I think 2 of Cups is actually letting me know that when y'all move, because I think for some reason it's the people, either the people y'all working with or the agents, the company you're working with provide satisfaction. But 2 of Cups that's meeting of the minds, friendship. You're going to find more friends wherever you go. Harmony. Maybe, and I think to me it's just like, I don't know, like I said, I'm not feeling that y'all work environment is stressful per se, but I do feel that there will be peace. There's peace on the there's peace on the other side of movement. There is peace on the other side of movement, Scorpio. So consider that. And let's just pull, because I feel a way here. Pull one more card of guidance. Because and this makes sense with this being an opposition. I said earlier it's going to be a push-pull. But this 4 of Pentacles concerns me. That deep inside, there's not that joy and satisfaction. We're going to end on indecision. Oh, no, we're not ending on indecision. We're ending on what I said, using the moon card for guidance. This person can't see because they need to use their intuition. But it also does show, I think this does talk about the push-pull. Twos, opposition. Venus opposite Sun, Moon, Mercury, Mars, whatever Scorpio planet you have. But the water and the blindfold is like, you got to go off your logic, intuition. And sometimes, too, 8 of Wands is, to me, a flurry of all your guides, if you believe in that spectrum of spirituality. You are supported. But you can't stagnate. No Hangman, no 4 Pentacles. Options are there. But you got to, and these are 2. We ending with 2s. Choice, and this is choices. Yeah, getting out of these burdens. Making intuitive choices. Okay, Scorpio. Good luck. If you enjoyed the reading, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Peace.